Hi everybody, this is Bharathan Prahlad. I'm Vice President and Head of HR for MSys. Really glad to open up the doors for a huge diversity drive here. And we're looking for some really cool young female talent to add value to the cool tech place we already are. We are a great place to work. We have super fun people here to work with, and we're wanting you to be here too. Okay, so this is your chance. Come grab a place, okay, and look forward to being my colleague too. Thank you so much.
Hi all, my name is Nitya. I work as a manager HR People Success Partner in MSys Technologies. I work for MSys for almost 4 years and I'm a happy employee. At MSys, we believe that diversity isn't just a word, it's our strength. And we are here on a mission and to empower more women to lead, innovate and shine in their career. MSys Chennai is planning for a women's drive on 21st of January. Please participate and refer your friends, and together we can make a lot of difference. See you all. Thank you.
I'm Aishwarya. I am working as a lead in QA with MSys, and I have been associated with MSys for around 2+ years. So here you're all together for Women's Drive, which we have planned in MSys now. So together we can continue to break barriers, support each other and inspire the next generation of women in tech. So to all the women out there watching this, trust in your skills, don't hesitate to ask for help and believe in your potential. Wish you good luck. Thank you.